Curious about how timber is harvested today? Get ready for an up-close look at some of the most advanced and impressive machines used in the logging industry. From raw power to incredible precision, their efficiency and engineering are truly remarkable. Felling an old oak with a Stihl MS 361 near Lavamund, Austria, shows the power of this 4.6 horsepower saw with a 20 meters per second chain speed and 115 decibels noise output. Without a helmet, hearing protection, or chainsaw chaps, the operator risks severe injuries from falling branches, noise, or chain accidents. Safety gear is a must for professional logging.
Rose up. So we're down to the little for right now. And here we go.
The cuts themselves appear to have been made correctly. The real issue was the tree's natural lean and weight distribution toward the house. Without using wedges, guide ropes, or additional support to control the direction of the fall, the risk increased significantly. In tree work, even proper cuts can't always overcome gravity and balance on their own.
Well, I don't think I got that, but that was not good at all. We just took out half the house.
Bravo to the logging truck driver for handling that tight hairpin bend deep in the forest. Maneuvering such a massive load on wet, slippery roads takes real professionalism, precision, and nerves of steel. In conditions like that, skill makes all the difference. Huge respect to the driver for pulling it off so smoothly. A recent video showing the reckless felling of a 200-year-old Yoshino cedar tree in Japan highlights a shocking lack of safety. The operator used a chainsaw without a helmet, protective gear, or ear protection, putting both themselves and the tree's historical significance at risk. That's an old-style head rig, and the man pulling boards is called a tail sawyer. It was usually powered by a steam shotgun, which took real finesse to operate. The massive saw was incredibly loud, running on 8-foot wheels with a 45-foot bandsaw and false teeth on the back to clear slivers on the return. Extracting that root system demands significant force, making mechanized assistance tempting. However, collateral damage to the surrounding soil is inevitable. A stump grinder offers a more precise solution, mitigating the risk to the building posed by uprooting. While some lawn repair will be necessary, it's a less invasive approach. That oak was a beast. Being new to this, I could tell my Husqvarna with the 20-inch bar was struggling. A longer bar might give a smoother cut next time. It's amazing what factors come into play when you're felling something that size. You've got to consider the lean, the wind, the surrounding trees. That was incredibly reckless. Clearly, a case of misjudging one's abilities. Thankfully, there were no serious consequences. The Valmet 840.3 forwarder is engineered for peak efficiency in timber harvesting. Its advanced off-road systems ensure maximum uptime, minimizing cycle times even in the toughest terrain. This translates directly to increased productivity and profitability, making it a strategic investment for any logging operation. Ever wish splitting wood was like way more fun? Yeah, me too. Seriously, you just load it up, hit the lever, and bam! Firewood. No more backaches, no more wasted time. Can you believe it? These logs are off on an adventure. They start in Orawakoski. bundled up and sent drifting, all the way to Jutseno, Lapinranta, over 150 miles by water. How amazing is that?
Блядь, тяни, 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 блядь! Тяни, 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 блядь!
Attention everyone, we've had an unexpected incident. A powerful tractor was pulling a tree out of the ground when, unfortunately, the tree fell onto the corner of a house. It serves as a reminder of the importance of careful planning and precision. Wondering how to remove a stubborn tree stump? Check this out. By using a tractor and clever pulleys, they multiplied its power by 35, easily pulling out the massive stump. The elevated leverage, combined with the added weight of the fallen tree, makes removing the stump significantly easier with minimal effort.
The sawmill is on both sides. The rails and the log bed are generously strengthened diameters, up to 75.1 centimeters in diameter. The
Logosol B751 sawmill combines precision and simplicity for efficient woodworking. With a cutting capacity of up to 16 feet, 4.8 meters, and the ability to handle logs up to 29.5 inches, 75.1 centimeters, in diameter, it is ideal for professional projects. Its durable Swedish craftsmanship, paired with powerful petrol engine options, 15 to 18 horsepower, ensures reliable performance in various conditions.
By this, it becomes easier for you to produce timber of exactly the right dimensions. You work quickly and comfortably. Plus, you get a perfect sawing result. They work just as well when you are taking the first cuts. Is an excellent band sawmill if you prefer to cut pre-assembled, so you can quickly start producing your first boards shortly after you have received. We have taken note of the best functions of well-tried band sawmills and added innovative solutions based on our long experience of log sawing.
Nisula 425C is a versatile harvester head designed for efficient timber handling and sorting. Equipped with grapple arms, it simplifies the process of managing and organizing logs. The advanced NCU3 control system ensures precise grip adjustment, providing a secure hold on tree stems during felling, feeding, and other tasks. Additionally, in combination machine applications, the separate grapple arms enable seamless loading without needing to switch the head, enhancing overall productivity and flexibility. When the Europe Chipper's EC106 0400 horsepower is in action, it handles large logs and branches with impressive power. Its 400 horsepower motor effortlessly breaks down tough materials into wood chips or recyclable materials. With a robust cutting system, the machine delivers smooth, efficient performance, making quick work of even the toughest jobs. Looks like these folks forgot to shout timber. His sharp observation is admirable, but skipping safety gear is a serious mistake. The risks, head trauma, or severe cuts far outweigh any benefits. Looks like a Deutz. Now, why didn't they dump the clutch before the turn? That's just asking for trouble. Would have been smoother, easier on the drivetrain, and frankly, safer.
Oh my god.
Let's be clear, safety first. If a tree is threatening your home, you need a solid strategy before you start cutting. Ignoring this basic rule can lead to disaster, as we see in this case. The 2023 automated turbo sawmill is a powerful, efficient tool for cutting large logs up to 1.3 meters wide and 6 meters long. Featuring a 30 horsepower Honda engine and automated swing blade technology, it delivers precision cuts with minimal effort.
And begin to feed the sawmill through the cuts. Optional accessories include beam extensions. Models are on our website, or contact us and we'll take it from there.
Knock this stump out. Looks like a pine. Should come out pretty good. Ripper goes through like butter. Big boulder there. That's what's hanging that up right there.
The Kobelco SK160 excavator is a versatile machine with a powerful diesel engine, weighing 16,000 to 18,000 kilograms. It can dig up to 5.5 meters deep with a bucket capacity of 0.6 to 1.0 cubic meters. Its efficient hydraulic system and maneuverability make it ideal for tasks like tree stump removal and earth moving.
right, boys? How I'm pulling it? Nice. Do that. You gotta let the machine know you're working in here. Otherwise, it's not gonna work with it. And he's got a big pile of moist dirt.
Looking at them, we're beyond impressed. They're extremely heavy duty, and they have a behemoth of an error with the operator because there's nothing to grease and no external coupler to monitor.
The Terra's Vortex model boasts a radial piston motor that delivers unparalleled torque, translating nearly 95% of your skid steer's hydraulic flow into grinding power. The asymmetric wheel design enhances operator visibility and extends cutter life. Plus, with its durable alloy steel construction and replaceable teeth, this grinder is built for the long haul. This could have ended tragically. We hear the warning horn signaling the saw operator to stop because we know he's about to overcut. Thankfully, the Caterpillar 305.5E excavator safety mechanisms prevented him from being crushed. The Husqvarna 3120 XPN Steel MS881 are powerful professional chainsaws. The 3120 XP has a 118 cubic centimeters engine, while the MS881 features a 121.6 cubic centimeters engine, both delivering excellent cutting performance. With advanced features like durability and automatic engine management, both saws are designed for demanding tasks. Do you like Husqvarna 3120 XP or Steel MS881? Leave your comments below. Introducing the Lumberjack 450, a game changer in forestry equipment. With 360-degree rotation, it effortlessly grabs, cuts, and stacks with unmatched efficiency. Its integrated shear blade clears snags for smooth operation, while its rugged build tackles any challenge. This is a fascinating example of ingenuity. By repurposing a tractor engine and a circular saw blade within a homemade frame, they've essentially created a portable sawmill. They've faced their fair share of driving challenges, snowy roads, winding mountain passes across Europe, you name it. But the SRS truckers, they were on another level. If that rush got you craving more, go ahead and hit subscribe to stay in the loop for our next wild adventure. The world of logging is full of surprises, and we're here to bring them straight to your screen.